Hello everyone, I'm Carrie from China. We are a geosynthetic materials production company named Taiyuan Engineering Materials Company Limited. We are a comprehensive company integrating production, sales, after-sales service, and construction. The site area is 33,000 square meters, and we have our own independent laboratory to ensure product quality. Our products are widely used in railways, highways, reservoirs, tailings dams, self-defense treatment, landfills, and other projects. And you can see this is our factory, very large, and welcome you to visit our factory. Thank you.